Welcome to our ultimate guide to travel hacks. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a first-time adventurer, these 10 travel hacks are sure to enhance your travel experience and make your journey smoother, more efficient, and unforgettable. Hack number 1: plan ahead. The key to a successful trip starts with meticulous planning. Research your destination thoroughly, including its culture, local customs, and weather conditions. Make a flexible itinerary to maximize your time and avoid missing out on must-see attractions. Hack number 2: smart packing. Pack light and smartly to avoid lugging around heavy suitcases. Roll your clothes to save space and minimize wrinkles. Invest in packing cubes to organize your belongings effectively. Don't forget to pack some basic essentials in your carry-on, in case your checked luggage gets delayed. Hack number 3: learn basic phrases. Familiarize yourself with common phrases in the local language. Simple greetings, thank you, and excuse me can go a long way in creating positive interactions with locals and immersing yourself in the culture. Hack number 4: cash versus cards. While carrying some cash is essential, avoid carrying large sums. Use credit cards with no foreign transaction fees, and notify your bank of your travel dates to prevent any card issues while abroad. Hack number 5: comfort on the go. Long flights can be exhausting, but there are ways to stay comfortable. Invest in a quality neck pillow and an eye mask to catch some rest. Dress in layers as temperatures on flights can vary. Stay hydrated by drinking water regularly. Hack number 6: offline maps and apps. Avoid hefty data charges by downloading offline maps and travel apps before your trip. These will help you navigate, find nearby attractions, and discover hidden gems without relying on an internet connection. Hack number 7: embrace local cuisine. One of the best ways to experience a new culture is through its food. Step out of your comfort zone and try local dishes from street vendors and small eateries. This not only saves money but also leads to some truly mouth-watering discoveries. Hack number 8: stay hydrated and eco-friendly. Carry a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated throughout your journey. This not only reduces plastic waste but also saves you money, as many destinations have safe drinking water available for refilling. Hack number 9: secure your devices. Protect your digital information by using a virtual private network, VPN, when connected to public Wi-Fi. This safeguards your data from potential hackers and ensures a worry-free browsing experience. Hack number 10: hone your bargaining skills. In many cultures, haggling is a common practice. Don't be afraid to negotiate prices at local markets and shops, but remember to do it respectfully and with a smile. And there you have it: 10 essential travel hacks to elevate your adventures and create lasting memories. Remember, traveling is about embracing new experiences and immersing yourself in the beauty of our diverse world. The world is waiting to be explored. So, pack your bags, apply these travel hacks, and embark on a journey of a lifetime. Thank you for joining us on this adventure through the top 10 travel hacks you should know. We hope these tips will enrich your future travels and help you make the most of every moment. Traveling is more than just visiting places. It's about forging connections, creating memories, and embracing the beauty of our diverse world. Whether you're exploring bustling cities, relaxing on tranquil beaches, or trekking through breathtaking landscapes, every journey has something unique to offer. Don't forget to document your experiences along the way. Keep a travel journal, take photographs, and share your stories with friends and family. These mementos will become treasured souvenirs that you can cherish for a lifetime. Remember, travel is an opportunity for personal growth and learning. Embrace new cultures, step out of your comfort zone, and open your heart to the world's wonders. Every encounter, whether big or small, will leave an indelible mark on your soul. As you head back home or venture into new horizons, take with you the spirit of exploration, curiosity, and appreciation for the beauty that surrounds us. Travel responsibly, respect the places you visit, and leave a positive impact on the destinations you explore. From all of us here, we wish you safe and joyful travels. Until we meet again for more thrilling adventures, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep making memories that will last a lifetime. Happy travels, and bon voyage!